Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Roblox and going straight to Settings Account Info. This gives you the controls to change contact details. Once there, make sure your current phone is nearby so you can receive the verification SMS and your new phone can receive the confirmation code. You do this because Roblox requires proof of ownership for both numbers to prevent account takeover. Enter your password when prompted, then tap the Phone Edit option to start replacing the number. Once you've started editing the phone entry, type the new number carefully and request an SMS code. Do not navigate away while waiting. When the code arrives, enter it exactly as sent and submit. This step links the number and proves control. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that flow so Roblox recognizes the device. If the code doesn't arrive quickly, check Signal and Resend, but avoid repeated rapid requests, which can trigger temporary blocks. To finish, save the updated phone in Account Info and sign out, then sign back in to confirm the change took effect. This ensures Roblox updated authentication records. If the SMS never arrives, switch to another cellular network or toggle airplane mode to reset connectivity, and make sure the number accepts international SMS if needed. If you still can't verify after multiple tries and 24 hours, contact Roblox support with account name and proof of ownership so they can manually resolve the phone verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.